at Harsh, we're often asked about the difference between facilitation and agency. Let me give you an analogy. If you're an attorney, the chances of you hiring a real estate agent to do the real estate purchase, buying, or selling for you are slim. The reason being vicarious liability. In vicarious liability, you are responsible for what someone does in your name. An agency creates that relationship between you and that other person. Whether buyer's agent or seller's agent, whatever your agent does, you are responsible for because you have an agency relationship. Therefore, you've created vicarious liability. Facilitation brokerage began in Colorado in 1990 and is legal in almost half of the states in the United States. It's a method to level the field in buying and selling property and to provide accurate information to all parties involved in the same manner so that allows the parties to make informed decisions based on full disclosure. The significant difference between facilitation and agency is vicarious liability. Vicarious liability is a legal term which indicates that you as the client are legally responsible for whatever your agent does. Whether they misstate the condition of the home or perform some other misdeed, you can be sued in court for monetary damages related to that misstatement or false information. Under facilitation or transactional brokerage, you're relieved of that vicarious liability. Unless you trust your agent explicitly or your agent is actually your attorney, do you want to subject yourself to vicarious liability and be responsible for what your buyer's agent or seller's agent does? And you can be sued in court for monetary damages. This does not occur in a facilitation or transactional broker situation. Facilitator has the same obligation that all agents have to their clients, that of accountability, trustworthiness, and full disclosure. The facilitator does not take sides. They provide fair, accurate information to both parties, buyer and seller, in the hopes of completing the transaction in a mutually agreeable and satisfying manner for all parties involved. Here at Harsh, we believe that our clients want full disclosure and information, not an adversarial relationship with the buyer or seller. We, as facilitators, are devoted to bringing the transaction to an agreeable and mutually satisfying closing for both the buyer and the seller. Joyce, harshrealestate.com.